folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day in the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Make it a great July 4th. We're kicking into the July 4th weekend. Gotta love it. Serve the one you love. Once you decide to be a couple, you serve the one you love. To serve your love to your love. And every kiss and every touch, you feel you're there to please the one you love without expecting anything back. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 101. NASDAQ is up 12. S&P's up 20. Gold contract up $3.70, trading at $17.75 an ounce. We get silver down 7 cents, $26.09 an ounce. Light sweet crude up $1.54, $75 a penny a barrel. Notes and bonds. The 10-year down 7 ticks, trading 132.09. 30-year off 14 at 160.10. And King Dollar. King Dollar's up 154 ticks. Just took out its swing point, 92.589. Euro's at 118. The yen is out here at 111.60. And the British pound is at 137 to 1 U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. Well, first, let's bring up the futures, man. Because you talk about crawling, grabbing, doing everything to get the higher price. This S&P is doing it, man. That's the real bottom line. You can see, I just brought up the futures up here. Intraday, folks. And what you're going to see is that it's just relentless. You know, if we take a look at this out here, what is that? Yeah, 8 o'clock this morning, we're down at 42.86. You're at 39.09, and guess what? The bottom line, market's not closed yet. We take a look at the SPY. What you're going to see with the SPY is that you're going to see that you're pushing away from your breakout area, and we're pretty far away from it right now. That's saying that the leg up is on the way. The leg that we're talking about, folks, 422 is the number. You break away from that. First few days was just slow. Yesterday, you came in with big volume. The SPY yesterday did 64 million. So someone was basically closing their shots more than likely on the close yesterday, because that was a monster pop on the close. That being said, bottom line, you're going higher out here today. You're up $2.37. You're at $430. We go to the NDX 100. We know that the NDX 100, this has been a little powerhouse right now out here today. You actually get a sideways movement inside of the NDX 100 today. That being said, what you've actually did is that you rejected lower price at 352. You're at 354. That ABC structure is 362. Composite. Composite is also in a confirmed ABC structure on the way up. And we have with the composite out here, that rejected 14,439 this morning. We're up 14 bucks. That price projection is 14,844. So you can see we're talking about another 320 points on the NDX 100. So this is going to be wild watching this whole thing shake out. Notes and bonds, this was quite a move yesterday, man. Yesterday, when you take a look at this chart, you're going to see, I mean, when these things go higher and they get volume behind them, it's quite clear that they're buying them hand over fist. I mean, look at that number yesterday. 1.7 million on the 10. You're going into a high volume spike at 1.9. Now, it didn't get it. It's going to get there. It didn't get there yet. That number is 132.30. We got to, yesterday, you got to 132.18. My take is that we're going to get up to that level. If we take a look at the 10-year right now, the 10-year is yielding 1.47. Now, let's get over the oil market, because the oil market also looks like it's taking another leg up, which is pretty wild, man. So we're up $1.53. Yep, it sure is, man. Holy cow. Let's see what we got. Okay. So the real question is it a monster ABC up? It's got a close call, man. It's ever a monster ABC up. What would it be? 61, 71, 13, 12, 13 bucks. 71, 81, 84. It's a close call. Well, what happens, folks, is that I'm looking at this, and the real question is that is there a long A point? And the one place that it's a close call, man. The smaller ABC would be 74. The smaller one had already finished off. You get a $5 A to B. Well, even a $5 A to B, yeah, it just finished that off. We may have a much larger one. Bottom line, oil's going higher. That's the bottom line. Now, the dollar here, this is pretty wild because gold hasn't given it up yet. And it's been having a tough time. There's no two ways about that. This move in the dollar is a monster move, man. You know, the bottom line is that we came off the lows. You did a 0.618 retracement of the whole move off the low. Now, a 0.618 retracement is a very strong move. That's the real bottom line. And then on top of that, what has just happened is that we didn't get a retracement off of that move. So if you want to see something that's, you know, okay, we didn't even do a 0.382 retracement on the way back. So we'll see where this baby shakes out. But the bottom line, that is saying right now that the good old dollar is going to go for this 93.447. And that's approximately another 900 ticks higher than we are right now, you know. If we go over to the euro, let's take a look at the euro because the euro was strong this morning, man. The euro, bottom line, had rejected lower price, and then all of a sudden it just turned. It turned, I guess, at about 10:30, 11 o'clock. Yeah, it did, right there. The euro is strong, yeah, right up until 10:30, and then just gave it up in spades. The yen, if we go take a look at the yen, now as the yen gets, the yen's taking a leg up. This is wild. When I say this is wild, what I mean, folks, is that we're not getting actually smoked inside the gold market right now because this yen just took out its high of 110.97. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.
Are you looking for a way to consistently